Hello students. Today I'll be talking about conservation laws. We have seen that lot of problems in JEE mains or advanced or NEET will get easily solved if you understand which conservation law is applicable. And here I wanted to give a slightly different perspective so that those who love physics would certainly want to get understand it more deeply and try to use it during their examinations. So if we talk of the bigger picture, every conservation law emerges out of some kind of symmetry behind it. Let's talk of energy conservation. Then energy conservation is because of the time translation. What does this mean? This means that laws don't care when the experiment has happened. So you have done it experiment now or a few days back or a few days later. In if it doesn't care, then energy conservation will happen. Similarly, for linear momentum conservation, then space translation, where you are doing the experiment, in which area in space you are doing. If it is the laws, physical laws don't care where an experiment is being run. Next one is a law of angular momentum conservation. This arises out of rotational invariance. Laws don't care which direction you face. So you are doing facing like this or you're rotating like this. It doesn't matter. It is invariant, right? So electric charge, I will not get into these are more advanced concepts which you will do later, but just for your understanding sake and for completeness perspective I have put it there. Maybe sometimes it is required in advanced physics, but today we will not discuss about that. So now uh, um, this Noether's theorem, it states that every continuous symmetry of physical statements action corresponds to a conserved quantity. So this helps you to understand what are the conservation laws. As I told you that symmetry in time and space or in the direction wherever you are doing, it doesn't matter. So we get the conservation of energy, conservation of linear momentum, conservation of angular momentum likewise, and the charges are also conserved. So with different frames of references, the amount of charge doesn't change. This is just I put because first the slide will be complete by itself, and second is that if you get intrigued, you will try to study more for the love of physics. So that's all what I wanted to tell you about today in this particular video, where we are seeing where do we get these conservation laws. And feel free to connect with me if you need more details, and I'll be happy to help you on this topic. Thank you so much. All the best.